I've been using a particular camera for quite some time now, and I didn't expect to like it this much. This is the Canon PowerShot V1, and it's one of those cameras that doesn't have to try so hard because it just works. It has a 22.3 megapixel 1.4 CMOS sensor, a built-in 16 to 50 mm equivalent f2.8 to f4.5 lens. You can shoot at 10-bit recording with C-Log 3 that allows you to bring out the colors in post, whilst having the ability to shoot in 4K up to 60 FPS. What I first like is how fast I can get into recording any video. I just flip the screen, press record, and I'm good to go. There's no long setup, there's no stress. It's actually small, so it doesn't draw attention. I can walk around, vlog, shoot street clips, and people barely notice. The video is clean, autofocus locks on quickly, and the colors look natural without me doing too much in editing. But obviously, if you're someone who likes to edit and bring out the best colors possible, that's when you shoot in the 10-bit C-Log 3 profile. It also comes with an inbuilt microphone, which is actually usable, but I would not recommend using the inbuilt mic for good shoots. Get a portable microphone, a wireless microphone, a small one like mine, and attach it to it, and you've got a beast in your hands. It's a step above your smartphone camera, but without the stress of carrying a big camera like this. It can be used in one hand, it offers steady footage, and it's lightweight. It's perfect for everyday content, not just the special shoots. It's not trying to replace a full camera setup. It's just for creators who want something simple but serious. So if your smartphone is beginning to feel limiting and big cameras are just too much, this kind of camera actually makes sense. After all, they say the best camera you have is the camera you can carry along, and this is portable enough for you to carry everywhere with you. It's that simple. What else?